Hi everyone, welcome to another LambdaTest tutorial on screenshot testing. In this video, we will learn how to capture the screenshots of your web pages behind the login page. Before we move forward, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay up to date with the latest videos and tutorials. The login feature will allow you to bypass your website's login form and capture a screenshot easily. To get started, log into your LambdaTest account. Go to Visual UI Testing from the left navigation bar and select Screenshot. If you're new to LambdaTest, screenshot testing is a feature that allows you to automatically generate full-page screenshots of your website over a variety of browsers, plus OS combinations. With screenshot testing, you can generate up to 25 screenshots in a single test session. For more details on screenshot testing, you can refer to our playlist suggested on your screen. Navigate to the Login option and click on New Login. This will help you create a login profile that will store the necessary information required to automatically log into a web application on your behalf in 3 simple steps. First, enter the URL of your web application's login page. Select the locators from the drop-down list as per respective fields in your login form and enter the locator's value in its corresponding field. Once done, click on Next to move forward. Finally, enter your login details for the website under the Credentials and then click on the Next button. Now, just save this login profile using the desired profile name and click on the Save button. And that's it! You'll see a prompt message confirming the same. To verify, just click on the Login button once again, and you can see your recently saved profile available here. And there you go! You've successfully created your login profile. Now, let's try to capture a screenshot of the page behind this login screen. Just enable the toggle button of your login profile. Enter the login page URL and select the latest or legacy desktop browsers or mobile viewports, or even a combination of both. Now, as soon as you click on Capture, LambdaTest will generate the screenshots behind the specified login screen based on your selected configurations. So, once the screenshots are generated, you can open any of these to confirm that the captured page is behind their login screen. You can also confirm the browser, operating system, and viewport for which the screenshot is generated from here. Use the right and left arrows to navigate through multiple screenshots generated in a single test session. Every generated screenshot is full page, so you can scroll from top to bottom to test your website's UI or web app. But that's not all. With the help of LambdaTest screenshot testing, you can even schedule your routine for screenshots, mark bugs, view the page in real time, and do much more. For more details, refer to the video suggested on your screen. Want to capture screenshots behind another login page? Don't worry, you can add multiple login profiles and even edit or delete any profile as per your requirement. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful. We also have a step-by-step guide in place to help you take screenshots of pages behind login. You can find its link in the description below. If you face any challenges, please reach out to us via our chat support or drop us a mail at support@lambdatest.com. And yes, don't forget to click on the subscribe button for more helpful videos like these. Happy testing!